So what makes it really hard for people to realize that they can move this table is because it looks so real and it looks heavy. And the real rock that I took the molds from was really heavy. So you're right in that thinking, but we've made that light and easy. So have a look at this. The top there's a big PVC fitting that this slots on, so you can just lift that off. Okay, comes up, put that down. Then we've got the table. So we've poured sand into this. This could be concrete. If you've got a restaurant or a bar and you think people are going to be sitting on this and whatnot, then you might put some more weight into that. So nothing more than just pouring some bags of sand or concrete in that. Okay, so just place that wherever you want. We've got these great stools here, rock stools for your feet as well. And just a great outdoor setting for a rustic environment, not a formal environment, obviously.